solidarity forever.
Nigikaro kiria gitafanitio ni atongoria ngwataniro ya heani motungata morigiti county ya Meru makiuga thirikari ya county ni yeheretie insurance iria maraheagwo kurugamirira marihi ma thibitari riria marwara.
The one we had previously was doing very fine and the healthcare workers were very comfortable. But this one was independent. The higher class and the low class. There are those who have the cover, comprehensive cover, and there are those who doesn't have. Now, Meru County, we have been divided into two: the rich few and the poor many.
The insurance that we have, it has got a limitation of 1,500 per visit, which cannot be enough to be able to seek any meaningful service.
Augete mbeca iria maraheo ti njiganu gukiringithanio na iria maraheagwo utongori-ini wa thirikari hituku.
In fact, dental services, eye checkup or eye services, we cannot be able to get them. We have to pay out of court, which now beats the logic of the concept of why we have an extra insurance apart from NHIF.
We are highly suspecting, most probably, is that the people that we give letters, they either don't share with the governor or they usually distort the information, and therefore the governor does not understand the plight of workers.
Moritie gavana wa county ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza agiena gikaro na uitemini ria gwetha kihonia makiuga mageria mao mothe ma gwetha kihonia kuhitukira utongoria wa county ya Meru makoretwo makiringa ihiga.
And we need to have a sober way of doing things. We have no any war with the governor, and we don't want the stories to reach to the governor when they are distorted.
Can you meet with us? We address these issues. We solve the issues with healthcare workers. They have sent us with this message. Please sit down with the governor and discuss our issues.
Oho ni moritie thirikari ya county ihikahike mutaratara wa kweruhia kandarathi cia rigitani aria kandarathi ciao irorete guthira kugiririria kuhotoma kwa motungata morigitani thibitari-ini itiganite.
Union makes us strong.
Ngiribotera Inoro TV jitagwo Jenga Wabui.